Hi, I'm Sue Ratanji, and Benjamin has done this work for me. He's cleaned my floors and my countertops, which are granite, and then marble too. He's done a wonderful job. Very clean, very tidy, very polite and everything. And he's been also very helpful to me in a lot of things because I have a baby, so he's kind of accommodated me in a lot of ways. I would recommend his work anytime.